So this year's the 90th anniversary of the T6. We recruited people into the Army Air Corps, and if they were going to go to pilot school, the first thing they would fly would be a steerman. Then they'd move you up to the advanced trainer. And so this was higher performance, bigger engine. And so it had more power, more speed. You could do dogfight practice and things like that.
It's kind of like flying a Harley, if you can envision that. It rumbles. The whole panel is on rubber grommet, so when you got it going, it's just rumbling away like a Harley. It's a bit of a handful on the ground, but once you get it in the sky, you can fly with your fingertips. It's beautifully balanced. Honestly, it flies just like a fighter. I've flown a P-51 and a P-40 and a Spitfire, and this is so close.
So behind me you see a Lockheed P-38J, which was recovered from Papua New Guinea in the late 90s and restored to flyable, perfect condition, just like it flew during the 5 victories when J.T. Robbins flew it in the 80th Fighter Squadron. So you'll see behind me the Happy Buddha, and the story behind that is J.T. Robbins was kind of milling around town, and he was waiting with another well-known ace, Richard Bong, and a couple other guys in San Francisco. Some shopkeepers sold him a tchotchke of a little 3-inch wooden Happy Buddha and told him, you know, you rub this and it'll bring you good luck. And he thought, I might be needing some of that over there. On display here, the forward boom. We have that on display because you can see a lot of the original water transfer decals and kind of markings. The other piece, which is more significant, is the cockpit section. That's exactly where J.T. Robbins sat. And you can still see his name written on there and his crew chief's name and some of the victory marks. You know, a lot of times major restorations that come from the ground or from ashes are based on a data plate, and there's bits and pieces, but here you can see the actual cockpit that J.T. Robbins sat in.
Grumman FM-2P Wildcat. The P stands for photo reconnaissance airplane. It has photographic slide panels on the side for putting the cameras in. Yeah, it's really cool to see 7 of them together, and I'm looking forward to being part of that gaggle. Neat group of people. I think we all know each other, and we've all seen each other at shows. It's wonderful to participate in a show of this size and magnitude, and it's also wonderful to share the airplane with the people whose parents worked on it and flew it and built it.
Yeah, AirVenture, one of the biggest air shows in the world right here in Oshkosh, and EAA does it so well. You've got just so many airplanes, so many good people. There's so much history here. There's so much excitement here. If you're an aviation enthusiast, you gotta come. It's one of the best air shows in the world.